vampires! Do you ever need to create appointment slots or meeting times with parents or people outside of the organization and feel at a loss because you can't count on the efficiency of Google Calendar? Well, that is just about to change. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create appointment schedules in Google Calendar. With these, anyone can book a time with you, regardless of the email provider they use. To begin, go to your calendar, and at the top left, you'll find the button to create an event, but you can also just click anywhere in the calendar. Then click Appointment Schedule, and then click Set up the schedule. Now you're going to have lots of different options. Let's go through them one by one. First, add a title. Then choose your appointment duration. 15 minutes is the shortest you can have. Then decide on when you're going to be available. Add as many slots as necessary and then also change the time as needed. Now, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on Scheduling Window. I'm going to say that this is available now, but you could be creating this for a few days from now. So you could choose the start and end dates right here. You can also choose the maximum amount of time that this appointment can be booked in advance. And you can choose the minimum amount of time before the appointment can start. So I'm going to say a minimum of 24 hours. I can also go in here into the buffer time and add a few minutes between each session. And I can say that I would like a maximum of 4, 5, 6 bookings a day. Now, pay attention to this next part. It's primarily going to be in my calendar, but I can add it to other calendars as well. But notice that any busy times on the selected calendars will be automatically removed for booking. So if you already have something booked at that time, the booking calendar here will not show then. And then I can change the color to something else and click Next. On the next page, I'm able to see how the identity is displayed. I'm able to add the location and conferencing, such as a Zoom link. And I'm able to add a description with a link. So if I wanted to add some sort of attachment, this is where I could do that. And then the part that's really interesting for us here is that on the booking form, besides the first name, last name, and email address, I can add an item. For example, I can put in custom and name of child. And then I can ask for email verification, which I would recommend, and I can make any other arrangements regarding sending a reminder for this event. And then I can click Save. At this point, I receive the link to the booking page, and here it is. These are my scheduled slots. And now I can also go ahead and click just to see what that's going to look like. Here is my verification code. Now I'm going to say submit, and then that is confirmed, and an email was sent to my personal email here with the information. And now this person, me, of course, could go ahead and cancel the appointment if needed. But that's it. It's pretty slick, huh? And then that appointment has now disappeared from here. So anyone else coming in will be able to only book from the available slots. Give it a try and let us know if you need any help. Thank you and see you around.